Hey guys, just a bit of an update on what's going on with the Holden 304 rebuild. I'm actually going to turn it into a 355 stroker. As you can see, I've put 1/2-inch main studs in, opened the portholes for the oil. I haven't bought out the block yet. I'm just gathering some parts for it. So at the moment I got the Scat 9000 crankshaft and got some pistons for it. So as the build progresses, I'll keep using form, but I might do another video in a couple of months with this one. I also have ported my heads. So I do have another Holden 304 that I can rebuild and start from scratch and just show you how it's done. But let me know, comment on the bottom. I do want to turn this into a 383 or something, but yeah, let me know. Subscribe if you like, thumbs up.